In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade the S&P 500, also known as SPX, using CFD on TradingView. This is an insightful guide for anyone looking to dive into the exciting world of S&P 500 trading through the TradingView platform. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to head over to the TradingView website. This platform is fantastic for traders who want an intuitive, feature-rich way to engage with markets. Once you're on TradingView, you'll need to access the S&P 500 index. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in SPX or S&P 500 and you should see it pop up. Click on it and you'll be taken to the chart page. This page is your home base for trading SPX CFDs. Now, once you're on the SPX chart, look for the Trade button. This is typically found at the top right or alongside the chart itself, depending on your device's interface. Clicking this button initiates the trading process. Selecting the trade option will reveal different ways you can engage with the index. Pay attention to the small pop-up or side menu that this action will trigger. It's here where you can set up your trade details. With the trade settings visible, it's time to configure your position. Carefully choose whether you want to buy or sell. This decision should be informed by your analysis of the market and your trading strategy. Remember, trading involves risk, and it's always prudent to have a solid plan in place. After deciding on your position, the next step is to adjust the quantity. This refers to how many units you'd like to trade. As you input the amount, you'll notice that the potential profit and loss numbers will update automatically. This is an excellent way to gauge the risk and rewards associated with your trade, helping you to make more informed decisions. It's important also to set your stop loss and take profit levels. These are essential tools for managing risk, allowing you to automatically exit a trade when it reaches a certain loss or profit level. In the trading interface, you should find options to input these values. It's crucial to consider these settings carefully to protect your investment. Once everything is set and you're confident with your settings, review all the details one last time. Double check your order type, quantity, and stop levels. After you're satisfied, go ahead and place the order. A confirmation message should appear, letting you know that your trade has been successfully submitted. Trading the S&P 500 via TradingView CFDs can be an exhilarating experience, provided you take the time to understand your tools and the market landscape. That wraps up this guide on trading SPX CFDs, packed with practical steps to help you get started. Happy trading!